Earth is often described as overpopulated. That idea is repeated so often that it is accepted as fact. But it is wrong. Earth is not overpopulated. Earth is misallocated. The planet has not exceeded its carrying capacity. What it has exceeded is its tolerance for inefficiency, inequality, and waste. Large regions of the planet consume far beyond their ecological share, while other regions are deprived of basic infrastructure, food security, and stability. This is not a population problem. It is a distribution problem. When resources are centralized instead of coordinated, scarcity appears even when abundance exists. Food is destroyed to stabilize markets while people go hungry. Energy is wasted while entire regions lack access. Land is left idle while cities expand uncontrollably. Nature does not function this way. In natural systems, resources circulate. Excess in one area feeds deficiency in another. Nothing is hoarded, nothing is stranded. Human civilization broke this loop. Overpopulation is a convenient myth because it shifts responsibility away from systems and onto people. It implies that collapse is inevitable rather than engineered. But collapse is not caused by numbers. It is caused by poor design. Earth can sustain far more life than it currently does, if that life is organized intelligently. Density is not the enemy. Disconnection is. Cities fail not because they are large, but because they are isolated from production. Rural regions fail not because they are empty, but because they are excluded from infrastructure. The planet fails not because there are too many humans, but because humans refuse to operate as a planetary system. Restoration does not require population reduction. It requires planetary coordination. When food production, energy generation, habitation, and industry are designed as integrated systems, pressure decreases instead of increases. Waste becomes input, growth becomes stable. The moment humanity stops blaming its own existence and starts correcting its structures, the overpopulation myth collapses. Earth is not full, it is fragmented. Restoration begins when we stop asking how many humans the planet can tolerate and start asking how intelligently humans can live together.